how does the SATURO's automated dual head infiltration method improve accuracy compared to the traditional single ring infiltrometers?
Yeah, well, I mean, it starts with the dual head method itself. And one of the reasons that we chose to go with that method is it helps limit the potential for human error in the measurement. And one of the biggest sources of error in that measurement is when you go from the infiltration rate to do your final hydraulic conductivity estimate. Whether it's from single ring or double ring infiltrometers, it doesn't matter. One of our goals is we need to correct for that three-dimensional flow that occurs from the infiltrometer. And a part of that is estimating your soil properties. We use the term alpha, this macroscopic capillary length factor, that we have to typically estimate depending on the soil type. And the beauty of the dual head method is you don't have to estimate that value. With the dual head method, we can estimate the sorptivity, which allows us to estimate the macroscopic capillary length factor, which allows us to just go through and do the corrections automatically. And so it just helps reduce that potential source of error.
Yeah, and that makes it a much more reliable reading and also much easier for us. That's one of the nice reasons that you can just leave the SATURO to do its work and kind of walk away and do other work that you have out there, which is great.
Yeah. Now, and the beauty is you don't have to be an expert to make this measurement and get good measurements.
Yeah.
That was the goal when we were developing this, is that any practitioner can go out and just deploy this and get good measurements. And I learned the hard way in grad school when working with double ring systems that you couldn't just give the system to somebody who didn't quite know what they were doing and get good measurements, because I definitely saw bad measurements come out of those tools.